At the heart of an ancient land, we built a manufacturing complex on the scale of a city, strengthening and expanding the Istak group. With pride and purpose, and following more than 2 decades of continuous activity in the beverage industry, we are honored to introduce Istak fruit juices, an important milestone in the strategic evolution of our product portfolio. Driven by consumer trust and sustained market demand, Istak fruit juices are produced using premium raw materials, offered in a diverse range of flavors and packaging formats, and designed to meet modern consumer expectations. At the same time, Istak has entered the execution phase of major upstream investments, including dedicated production units for concentrates, fruit purees, and malt extract aimed at reducing national dependency on imports that currently exceed 30,000 tons annually. The Zinanush facility stands among the largest industrial producers of malt and fruit concentrates in the country and represents one of the most significant private sector investments in agricultural processing. Beyond industrial scale, this initiative drives agricultural growth, strengthens supply chains, and creates meaningful employment, delivering tangible regional impact. By combining high-quality raw materials, state-of-the-art production technologies, expert operational teams, and a deep understanding of consumer preferences, Istak consistently delivers diversified, high-quality products, earning long-term brand trust. Today, Istak products compete not only in Iran's domestic market, but on the global stage. Through exports to more than 45 countries across 5 continents, Istak has established itself as a source of national pride for the Islamic Republic of Iran.